With 100% national capital, we are Spain's leading shipping company for combined passenger and freight transport, and we have an international presence in 5 countries. We help to bring cohesion and structure to Spain through modern, efficient and reliable maritime transport services. We are a responsible company focused on ongoing improvement, incorporating the best commercial resources and constantly renewing and modernizing our fleet. Technological innovation and respect for the environment are part of our DNA and reflected in all our decisions. Over the last 7 years, we've invested €1 billion into renewing our fleet, and we plan to invest another €1 billion in new, more modern, efficient and comfortable ships. Our track record demonstrates our ability to compete with the major international shipping companies already present in Spain. As a national company, deeply rooted in Spain and committed to our country, we have taken on the role of ensuring maritime connectivity for our territory, the Balearic Islands, the Canary Islands, Ceuta and Melilla. We serve all our stakeholders in a balanced manner, aware of how important our mission is to the non-peninsular regions. We are global leaders of sustainability. Year after year, we manage to reduce our environmental impact by using cleaner fuels like biogas and investing in electric propulsion. This puts us ahead of maritime transport decarbonization goals and helps us to conserve biodiversity. We work together on a global project, creating stable jobs and development opportunities for our teams. And we contribute to the social well-being of communities through initiatives promoted by the Baleària Foundation.